Hey there, this is Amelia and I'll be giving voice to this course by Guadapinos. In this course we are going to learn how to draw Kung Fu characters based on different martial arts animals. I'm sure you're familiar with Kung Fu thanks to some well-known series such as Dragon Ball, Kung Fu Panda or even Mulan. Also thanks to famous actors like Bruce Lee. In this course, you learn to loosen yourselves up by drawing some quick 1-minute poses. We're also going to learn about motion lines and their functions in order to use them when creating our characters. In addition, we're going to find out about all Kung Fu animals' styles and learn to draw them as well as their poses. After that, we'll pick 2 of these Kung Fu styles to draw 2 different characters. These will be the crane and the snake. We are going to draw, ink and color them. So, if you like martial arts and want to learn how to draw your own warriors, this course is for you. See you in the first lesson.